I want to work in competition law team. However, my past internship experience does not align with it. How can I make my CV in a manner that shows my interest, willingness to work in that domain? For niche areas like competition law, a lot of recruiters know that you cannot have all your internships in competition law because the area itself is very niche. If you cannot have a lot of internships in competition law team, you can have publications related to it and you can have moot court achievements related to it. These two things will set your CV apart. In my case, I have a separate competition law CV. In that, the 4 internships that I have mentioned, 2 of them are in competition law, 2 of them are not in competition law. So in that case, I try to make it in areas that are allied to it. So while I do have data privacy related internships, I do have tax related internships. Instead of that, I would go over and I would write my general corporate related internships and my freelancing works that I have done, so that people know that I'm adaptable. I am not going to write my tax related internships and I'm not going to write my IP related internships. Apart from that, what I did to get into competition law was that I opted for a competition law course that my college was offering. If your college is not offering one, you can always go ahead and follow the NLU's pages, and every NLU at one point or the other does offer some free course that you can opt. So I had taken up one course from my college.